Every little, every smile touch somebody's heart and it give a positive vibes. So keep smiling, my mains kidulets. Alexa Ilacad, Kid Estrada. Nalala ko, Kid demonstrate his love to Alexa through and thoughtful act of a service, such as preparing favorite meals and running errands for her and helping with a household without being asked. Yung time na nasa Japan, ang Kidelex, kung sana excited si Alexa manood ng Eras Tour, Taylor Swift. Hindi nga sumama si Kiddy pero talagang ipinakita niya yung support kay Alexa. May pagdadalang pagkain pa talaga, napaka-gentleman. Kanina sa IG story ni Alexa and Kiddy, we are glad to happy that the two enjoy watching Miss Saigon Lia Salonga. Sunlight and moon, waging-wagi sa lahat kasi may liwanag sa araw ang sunlight. May liwanag sa gabi at hindi sa pagsikat ng paglubog. Yun po yung motto na isang admin for Kedelex. Ang cute lang talaga nila tingnan. For now, wala pa rin update ang Kedelex about project. Abang lang tayo guys. Sana magkakaroon soon ang project Kedelex. Kiddy openly and expresses his love and affection for Alexa, whether it's through words of affirmation, physical touch, or thoughtful gestures niya that makes her feel cherished and valued. Nakaka-amaze lang talaga, nakaka-amaze yung mga banding, yung mga moments nila, kilig, lalo na si Kiddy kung paano niya inalagaan si Alexa talaga. Alexa uplifts and motivates Kiddy, inspiring to pursue his dreams and goals with her unwavering belief in his abilities and potential. Kiddy and Alexa inspire others by demonstrating that love not just a feeling, but serious intentional actions that nurture support. So, ayan, ang update ng Kidelex